Excedrin back and Excedrin away.
Creations around the country at Red Lobster. Try our new Maine lobster and crab. Roasted tender Maine lobster, jumbo shrimp, scallops, and a full half-pound of snow crab legs. Or from try our New Orleans wood-grilled jambalaya.
Why don't you get the camera?
Huh? I've got the camera. I got the camcorder.
Right as the next Harry Potter hits theaters, go inside a secret location Harry's created for J.K. Rowling. It's the very last chapter of Harry Potter, but is it really?
All I have to know will happen next.
Thursday at 8 on BBC.
Tomorrow, breaking new details on that shocking moment that forever changed Michael Jackson's life. The horrible accident, his hair catching on fire, his toxic addiction to painkillers. New information on Good Morning America and go to abcnews.com for exclusive reports and video.
Finally, what is your earliest memory? Most adults can remember back to the age of 4, sometimes 3. But it turns out the brain's ability to memorize begins well before then. There's new research that shows babies can form memories while still in the womb. John McKenzie explains.
It is a time of awe-inspiring mystery. Just what's going on inside the brain. For 30 weeks, the brain is already beginning to function. And according to this latest study, starting with one basic memory.
This research is significant because it establishes when the fetus can not just hear, but begin to process and respond to that information.
Using a fetal monitor, researchers created a buzzing sound to startle the fetus. But with repeated exposure, the fetus learned to ignore it, a form of memory called researchers found that at 34 weeks, the fetus remembers to ignore the buzzer for up to a month.
Yeah, I'm too tired to walk. I can't do it anymore. He's done.